Operating a legal practice can be complex when it comes to finding the right balance of client service, staff management, and staying up to date on the latest marketing strategies to grow your firm. The problem is determining which type of marketing can help your practice the most and increase clientele. Well, today we caught up with one of the top experts in attorney services marketing who is here to share some simple strategies that will bring more clients to your practice.
Most lawyers and law firms find it challenging to leverage the power of internet marketing to generate new clients and to build their practice. Well, the good news is that if it's done correctly and they use the right strategy, it's really not that difficult. You know, today most people are going online to find attorneys or any other professional that they want to use, so it's imperative that the attorney position himself or herself as an expert with an excellent reputation. And if this is done correctly, there'll be a steady stream of new clients every month. You know, setting up a website and some social sites like Facebook and Twitter is very simple to do. And some attorneys believe that that's enough to have an effective online marketing campaign. But nothing could be further from the truth. A lot more is needed to be able to get the phone to ring and to get people to come in for initial consultations. So how does a law firm leverage the power of internet marketing to build their practice with new clients? Well, there are several things that can help. Number one, remember that reputation is critical. People are looking for someone that they can trust, that they know they're going to be taken care of. So it's very important that you have plenty of 5-star reviews online on the directory sites, and of course they can go to your Google Plus page and leave a review there as well. Number two, engaging content. Make sure that you have relevant content on your website and content that promotes any special skill or expertise that you may have that sets you apart from other attorneys. And of course, if you have any recent successes for clients through cases or things that you've done for them, be sure to promote that and highlight that as well. And number three, location and accessibility. You know, make sure you promote where you're located, that you're in close proximity to your clients, and that you're flexible, that you're accessible when your client needs you. Because people want to know if they need an attorney that they can get on the phone and set up an appointment and come in. You know, we specialize in helping attorneys and other professionals to be able to build their practices through online marketing. So if you want more information, just visit our website at strongtower1.com or give us a call at 813-452-4145. We love to help and be able to answer any questions that you may have. And just remember, the market is constantly changing, so always be proactive, always using new and proactive, relevant ways to generate new clients for your practice. Thanks.
And there you have it. An informed approach can make all the difference. And now you have some great insights to be able to market your business more effectively. Are you ready to take the next step and start getting more business? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Feel free to contact them if you're looking for more great online marketing strategies. Until next time.